Namaste. I am JVN Jyoti Kumawat, Faculty of Education and Methodology. Today I am going to start the topic individual differences from the course Psychology of Learning for the program BSc BA 3rd semester. Students, last class we have discussed the various topics of psychology. Today we have individual differences topic. Individual differences are the ways in which people differ from each other. Every member of an organization has its own way of behavior. It is important for managers to understand individual differences because they influence the feelings, thoughts, and behavior of employee. Individual differences can be divided into two categories like personality difference and capacity difference. Now what is personality difference and how it is influenced. Personality refers to the relatively stable pattern in the thinking, feeling, and behavior of a person. It is an important factor in explaining the behavior of people within an organization and in the favorable or unfavorable attitude towards the job and the organization. Sources of personality. Personality is partially biologically determined nature because there are no specific genes that determine personality. But twin research shows that approximately 50% of personality can be explained by heredity factors. The other half can be explained by the experience. The personality can change through experience but not in the short term, as the definition makes clear. It is after all relatively stable traits. Managers should therefore not set themselves the goal of changing the personality of employees, but personality can be used to understand behavior. Now, further, you can see the situational influence on personality. A large of researchers shows the personality is a good predictive and explanatory factor for the thinking, feeling, behavior of employees in the workplace. Personality, for example, influence work related attitudes and behavior such as career satisfaction and coping with work related stress. In addition to personality, however, the situation also differ attitude and behavior. If the situational pressure is strong, personality has less influence on work related behavior. Employees are not free in varying behavior in such situations, and so personality is not decisive. Both personality and situation factors can therefore influence behavior. Eventually, cognition, affect, and the behavior are determined by the interaction between personality and situation. Effective managers understand this interaction and use it to help employees perform optimally. So I think you have understood about the topic individual differences very well. Thank you.